Hi there, I am Amelia for Bridges, and I'm a third year social studies teacher at Heston High School in Heston, Kansas. Specifically, I teach government and geography, both regular government and AP government, um, and I really enjoy that. Along with teaching, I am also the assistant girls tennis coach, um, and also the assistant boys tennis coach, so in the spring and the fall, I help coach tennis. And then I also am the Stuco sponsor up at the high school as well. Who has had the most influence on me in my life? My parents have had both really a massive influence on me. Just seeing them prioritize certain things and them really promoting my education and my success and things like that, and their work ethics and things like that. However, my older sister has had probably the most influence on me in my lifetime. By default, I always looked up to her. She's just a really good person, and she's one of those people that no task is too big, and she takes everything on really gracefully and somehow makes things look really easy, and just goes through life like really well. She's also a teacher, and just seeing her have a lot of passion for that and do really well, um, that has always been something that that's influenced me. The older I've gotten, though, I see how different we are, and see different strengths in us, and see our similarities. But ultimately, there's just a lot of influence that's been there, a lot of growth that's happened. The bar is, I've always felt like it was set really high as a result, and um, I've always felt the need to chase that and live up to certain things, and um, because I've seen her success, and I've wanted that for myself as well. With my personality test, my number one was extroversion, and I would agree with that. Um, I really enjoy being around people. Um, I like being social. I can have a conversation with anyone. I'll strike one up with whoever. The only thing with that is I also really enjoy my alone time. I like doing things alone, and I have zero problem doing things on my own. And so I always kind of wonder if I'm more extroverted or introverted. I don't really know. I think I'm some of both. And then also agreeableness was one of my high ones, and I definitely would agree with that. I definitely think I'm an optimist, and I definitely think I'm friendly, and I really do think I'm pretty easy to get along with. I think life's too short to be extremely difficult in moments, and um, I would assume I would agree that I am agreeable, and that agreeableness is part of my personality. Um, and then my leadership styles that I chose, I didn't have any problem picking these two. I chose servant leadership and authentic leadership. When I read those two, it just felt like they clicked for me. Um, and I think they coincide with my personality test in a lot of ways. To be agreeable, um, that's meeting with people and being real with them, and I think that's the authentic leadership there, is not putting on that face necessarily, and being real and authentic with them, um, and being able to come to an agreement and not just be stubborn, and being transparent, and then servant leadership. um, the extroversion, I think, is there in the fact that I like, you're thinking of others, and you're really thinking of your followers, um, and you're thinking of a cause that's bigger than yourself, and you're not just worried about your selfish motives, or your selfish ambitions, or your selfish rewards. You think of kind of others, and I think maybe that's where the extroversion is there. I enjoy other people. I enjoy being around people. As a result, I enjoy serving people, and so I think that's where that overlaps. So thanks for watching. Looking forward to learning a lot in this class.